Hi guys, King and Brie here. Say hi, Brie. I'm doing a little unboxing of Hatsune Miku, a Hot Tub exclusive. Hey, where'd you going? You're my partner. Get back in here. It's Hot Tub exclusive. It's crystal, blue crystal. I don't know much about it, but when I saw it, I had to get it. So I did some research on to see what is she about. She's a humanoid persona. She her it's a synthesizer, voice synthesizer. That's gonna get it out. Featured over 100,000 songs. Her name is actually an English translation or meaning. It's the sound from the future. So I'm gonna open up. Baby, come here. Come here. Check this out. Come check it out. Wow! Wow, yeah, look. What do you think? She's a crystal. She's like a blue crystal clear with a bunch of sparkles. Give me a shot. So, it is freaking amazing. It looks awesome. What do you think, Brie? Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.